Colorado Hazard Control shares key tips to improve indoor air quality. Indoor air quality (IAQ) plays a critical role in maintaining a healthy home or workplace, yet it's often overlooked. Colorado Hazard Control (CHC) emphasizes that indoor pollutants such as radon, mold, volatile organic compounds, VOCs, dust, and pet dander can accumulate, especially in tightly sealed buildings designed for energy efficiency. Poor ventilation and high humidity further exacerbate these issues, potentially causing health problems like asthma, allergies, fatigue, and difficulty concentrating. Quick ways to improve IAQ. Monitor air quality. Use smart devices to track pollutants and humidity in real time. Change HVAC filters. Replace filters every 2 months to keep air clean. Manage humidity. Maintain indoor humidity below 35% to prevent mold growth. Ventilate properly. Use vent hoods while cooking, especially with gas stoves, and ensure bathroom fans exhaust outside. Test for radon. This odorless gas can seep through foundations. Install a mitigation system if levels are high. Vacuum regularly. Use a HEPA-filtered vacuum, especially if you have pets. Be mindful of products. Limit the use of strong chemical cleaners and opt for low VOC alternatives. Why professional help matters. While DIY solutions are helpful, professional assessments from CHC can identify hidden risks and provide tailored mitigation strategies. Whether addressing radon, mold, or ventilation issues, CHC ensures your indoor environment meets health and safety standards.